started. And I just moved it out of the person's driveway, like using the way. The tow truck's gonna pick it up and then check it, see what's wrong with it.
You might heard you coming down the street and that's a different truck. That's a different truck.
Yeah, you can hear it. Is it louder? Yeah. I like this truck. This one took forever to build up there. So, I'm waiting on it. But the good thing is there's only one open route. One open route, and then some guy's gonna help me out with like the last part of my route. There you go. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, sorry I didn't miss you. I was like in the middle of stressing
Fixing it, yeah.
Yeah, but hopefully they fix it because I don't want to drive this thing tomorrow.
Next week they're having a tour. They said back there. This place.
Tour?
Yeah, we said we signed up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Nice.
next Thursday at 2 or 3.
Next Thursday?
Yeah.
Awesome. I might see you there. Like, that's usually what time I get done.
Yeah, that's what I told them.
Yeah. So they just gotta show you guys around, like, I think they take you to like the recycling center, right?
Yeah, and they like walk around the yard.
I seen they do that before.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You excited?
Yeah.
Next week?
Yeah. So you might see him with Raul.
Yeah. See all the trucks here, man. Awesome. Well, I'll get going, guys. I appreciate it. No, it'll be all right. This has good AC. Some of the older ones have really good AC.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Right. That empty or full?
What one?
That little one? Yeah.